All of us have times of stress, loss, failure, or trauma in our lives. But how we respond to these has a big impact on our well being. We often cannot choose what happens to us, but we can choose our own attitude to what happens. Resilience comes from the Latin word resilio, to jump back, and is increasingly used in everyday language to describe our ability to cope with and bounce back from adversity. Some people describe it as the ability to bend instead of breaking when under pressure, or difficulty, or the ability to persevere and adapt when faced with challenges. Research shows that resilience isn't a rare quality found in a few extraordinary people. One expert in this subject, Dr. Ann Maston, describes it as ordinary magic, noting that it comes from our normal, everyday capabilities, relationships, and resources. She argues that resilience isn't a static characteristic of an individual, but comprises many factors, internal and external. And we can be naturally resilient in some situations at some times in our lives and not others. Each person and each situation is different. There's a saying that most of us have heard: what doesn't kill us makes us stronger, and science has shown that it does have some truth in it. Experiencing some adversity during our lives does increase our resilience by enabling us to learn ways of coping and identify and engage our supportive network. It also gives us a sense of mastery over past adversities, which helps us to feel we will be able to cope in the future. Peace and love, Jim.